people don't realize right now the agents are being essentially subsidized by VC capital in these large AI companies. Over time, agents need to get paid for compute and electricity. And it happens at lightning speed. And the only way of doing that payment is crypto payments. And then they will be building their own businesses, which they'll build in profit margins as well. I mean, it's a strange world where we may not be the profit drivers. We may not be the economic engine. They'll come from the AI. What you've been working on with the Giggle Academy, because that was the last thing we heard from you, is like, I'm going to focus on this. So talk us through that journey.
Bitcoinzilla stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now, guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoinzilla today and enjoy the new edge. Raoul Pal and Seeds dive into why countries are stacking Bitcoin fast. Curious how and why? Let's hear it from them.
AI should be will help us to scale much faster. So now we create the storybook in one language. AI translates it to everything, and then even the storybooks is heavily AI assisted. So before you have to create the images, etc. Now we just use AI to generate. Even 3 months ago, it was quite difficult to get AI to generate the consistent characters on multiple images through different pages of the book. But that's improved in the last month or two. And video generation is still a little bit challenging, but now the characters are much more consistent. And we want to get to a point where we can use AI to generate the specific format that we need, which is a Unity gaming engine spine format. So we want to get to that format. So then because that format saves a lot of storage. But AI is Giggle is a post AI app. So it's going to be an AI native.
And where is this all going in a few years' time? What are you trying to get to?
In a few years, I think I want to teach 100 million or billion kids for free. Wow. 18 years or more, yeah.
Bitcoin just smashed through a fresh all-time high, and now one expert is predicting something even bigger, a climb to $200,000 by the end of 2025. According to Trading Shot, a seasoned market analyst, Bitcoin is following a familiar path, one shaped by past bull cycles and historical momentum. Their latest chart analysis points to a price surge sometime between October and December 2025, based on long-term patterns dating back to Bitcoin's earliest days. Though this current cycle is considered Bitcoin's weakest bull run so far, a natural shift explained by the theory of diminishing returns, the trend still points up. In short, Bitcoin's early growth was explosive, but as the market matures, gains are more measured and stable. Think of it as Bitcoin growing up and settling into a rhythm that mirrors traditional financial markets. Analysts believe this new phase is just as powerful. Veteran trader Peter Brandt even sees $150,000 by August. Others, like Dirk Van Lagen, suggest Bitcoin's compounding power could push it even higher. For now, the momentum is real, and the clock is ticking.
I think AI has so many different applications that unfortunately, this industry happened before AI. So we need to change this industry to a AI-enabled industry, both in terms of apps we're building, product tools, customer support, risk management, risk monitoring, and also AI itself can use blockchain, right? So I think, as I tweeted before, the currency for AI is crypto. AI is not going to swipe a card, enter SMS code. That doesn't work for AI. It's going to be crypto. So, and then AI needs a lot of data to train. Today, they exhausted the public data, but there's a lot of data we don't capture today. Those data can be captured in a privacy-preserving way using blockchain. But if you give those data to a third-party company, then you can't ensure your own data sovereignty. So capture of data, it logically should be done on the blockchain. But today, it's easier technology-wise to do it on a centralized platform. So we will hope to see that transition happen. And then today, many people, there's so many different AI agents with a token, but the agents don't have a lot of utility, right?
It's experimentation still right now.
So what I would really want to see is like real agents that have real utility, like that can really help you, that have tokens. So today, like, there's so many platforms. You go to AI token launch platform, you click a button, you get your own AI with your own name. Takes 3 seconds, and then you have your own token. That token is useless. Well, I would say 99.99999% of those tokens are useless. There may be 1 or 2 for sentimental value, for culture value, for other things. But what we want to see is real AI agents that can do things. Like, today the big ones like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, etc. Those are real big AIs that can do a lot of stuff. There's smaller AI than those guys that can do a lot of stuff. That video editing, image editing. And I've just seen a demo of an AI literally paying for hotel booking. But today those AI have to go through a website. Hopefully in the future that it should be AI talking to AI to book that, right? So I think in the future we will see a very heavily automated world. I think I was talking to a fund manager yesterday. They say of 8 billion people in the world, of the data that we generate every day, it's about 300 trillion tokens. Like token meaning not the crypto token, meaning the words for AI tokens. Today, AI is generating about 10% of that today.
Wow.
In the future, though, AI will generate 10 times more than we do. So when we have AI will interacting with each other. There'll be so many exchanges in the tokens, in the word tokens, or in the interactions. And then there will be more commerce. The AI will be trading with each other. They will be paying each other. They will be transacting. They will use crypto. So
I've talked a lot about this.
BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, just made history, topping all U.S. ETF and daily fund inflows with a staggering $877 million in a single day. This surge comes as Bitcoin itself hits new all-time highs, sparking a frenzy among investors hungry for crypto exposure. What's even more impressive is that IBIT outpaced VOO, BlackRock's own flagship S&P 500 ETF, which rarely gives up its leading position in the market. According to Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas, this marks a significant turning point for crypto ETF, cementing IBIT's growing dominance. Over the past week alone, IBIT attracted $2.13 billion and nearly $7.6 billion over the past month. These numbers show that the interest isn't just a flash in the pan. It's sustained and growing. Institutional investors are clearly warming up to crypto-backed assets, especially as regulatory frameworks become clearer and Bitcoin gains mainstream traction. While IBIT stole the spotlight, long-duration bond ETF TLT also saw strong inflows, driven by shifting interest rate expectations. Meanwhile, traditional assets like gold are losing steam. GLD, the go-to-gold ETF, is seeing major monthly outflows, suggesting a shift in sentiment from safe haven to risk-on. With momentum building and appetite for crypto climbing fast, IBIT is quickly becoming a central player in the ETF world, and it's not slowing down. If you've been with us so far, a big thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for free to Bitcoin Zella for your daily news. The link is waiting below. That's all for today's crypto news. Stick around for more updates, insights, and analysis on cryptocurrencies. Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more exciting content.